So in this problem, we need to verify the following. So let us begin our problem from the left hand side. So in the numerator, we have sine theta added to sine of 2 theta whole divided by, we have 1 plus cosine theta added to cosine of 2 theta. Now what we'll do, we'll use the trigonometric ratio of multiple angles to expand sine 2 theta and cosine 2 theta. Now sine 2 theta will expand to give us 2 times the product of sine theta and cosine theta. And cosine 2 theta has got two forms. One of the form is given by 2 times cosine squared theta minus 1, and the other form is cosine 2 theta can be also expressed as 1 minus 2 times sine squared theta. Now in the numerator part, we have sine 2 theta, so we'll use this particular formula. However, in the denominator cosine 2 theta, we have to use only one of the formula. Now we will choose the value of cosine 2 theta in such a way such that this one gets cancelled out and we are only left with 2 terms at the denominator. So the best for our one will be to choose cosine 2 theta as 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. So let's do a calculation. So we have sine theta, we will keep it as it is and add it to cosine of 2 theta, so that becomes 2 times sine theta multiplied to cosine theta whole divided by, we have 1 plus cosine theta. The third term cosine 2 theta will be replaced with 2 times cosine squared theta minus 1. Now we can cancel out the 1. Now we have sine theta plus 2 sine theta cosine theta in the numerator. So if we take sine theta as the common factor, so it will get multiplied to 1 plus 2 times cosine theta whole divided by, in the denominator also we have 2 terms. So if we take cosine theta as the common factor, so we are left with 1 plus 2 cosine theta. Now luckily for us, 1 plus 2 cosine theta will get factored out, and then we are left with sine theta over cosine theta. That ratio is the tangent function. We have tangent of theta, which is the expression on the right hand side. Thus we have successfully showed that the left hand side of the given trigonometric equation equals to right hand side. So that means it is a valid equation, hence proved.